already soaked this in a vinegar and baking soda wash and rinsed it. And here's the 3 jars of half cream. My 3 jars of half cream waiting to be picked up, with 2 waiting to be picked up. No, three waiting to be picked up. Then I got 1 for me. So, I got now back again. So, right quick, what I'm finna to make for y'all is a homemade antibiotic for adults and for children. Now, I showed y'all the turmeric and the ginger. My bad. I hope I ain't say garlic, but the ginger and the turmeric that I had soaked in the vinegar and baking soda wash, and I rinsed it off. Now, when you use honey, you should use really raw honey or just raw honey in general. Okay, that other honey that comes in a bottle that's clear, I mean, it's like light brown or something like that. I'm not saying it's now honey. It could be pasteurized, I don't know. But if you want to get the full effect of your honey, you should be getting raw honey. And this is exactly what raw honey looks like. Okay, this is the color that raw honey should be. And that's what I will be using. Because when you use raw honey, you get the real effect that you should get from it. Okay? So I'm going to cut up my ingredients first. And I'm making 2 jars of this. 1 for me and 1 for the granny. 1 for my grandbaby. So I'm going to cut up some onion slices first. I use a red onion. I suppose you can use whatever kind you want, but I'm going to use a red onion. Ooh, excuse me. I don't know why they call it red. I'm going to use a purple onion. Let me stop. Let me stop being ridiculous. Yeah, so anyway. I'm going to cut up some onion slices. And again, just like with the half cream, the longer you let it sit, the more potent it is. Now, with that half cream, you can also strain that half cream too. And I chose to use coconut oil. You can also use olive oil if you want to. And once, like, I think when it was sometime last year, I had did a reel in a tutorial on one I had made with olive oil. And you don't have to cut your onions up into circles. You can cut your onions up how you want to cut your onions up. It's because them jars so low. Yeah, I'm about to cut them in circles or there, cut them in halves. I always be making the biggest mess. I swear y'all fucking have to clean up. Alright. Cut my onion pieces in half. And I'm going to I got my 2 mason jars. It's always good to use glass jars, the mason jars, where you can seal them tight. But I hope I don't start crying. Oh, yeah. Oh, so I could use garlic, but because I'm giving it to the grannies, I'm not going to use the garlic, because garlic, as I stated the other day when I was making my other little vegan meal, is very strong, extremely sharp. You know, I don't want to do that to the little ones. And you could also add lemon to this as well. I may go get a lemon later and add to it. Because y'all know I use so many goddamn lemons that I'm pretty sure y'all know I'm out of lemons. I love lemons. So I added the onion. Now I'm about to cut up some fresh turmeric. I try to use fresh ingredients to get the full. Okay. So cut up a little turmeric. Like I said, I didn't get the lemon. I don't know what the heck I was thinking, but add lemon to this. A fresh lemon. That turmeric piece was smaller, so I'm gonna add another a little bit more. Now this is a good antibiotic for colds and flus and things of that nature. Now if you suffer from have allergies, nettles is a good herb to use for your allergies. Like I said, it's your choice to use garlic. Add the lemon, yes, do add the lemon, but it's your choice to use that garlic. That garlic is sharp. And if you're going to be giving it to children, I don't know how they're going to take that. Like, for real. Y'all know how kids be. So, I'm cutting up this ginger that was soaked. All of this stuff was soaked in a vinegar and baking soda there. I'm going to be growing ginger soon next week, y'all. And potatoes. Right, add some ginger, fresh ginger. So again, guys, homemade antibiotic for real. Y'all know y'all can do oregano oil too for other stuff. I might do that too. I haven't thought about it yet. But in these jars, I have onions, I have turmeric, and I have ginger. Okay, I'm going to add lemon to it later. I have to go to the store and get some lemon, guys. I don't know how. I forgot my lemon. Okay, and it is your choice on whether or not to add garlic. I will not be adding garlic because I will be giving this to the grannies. And I don't want to, they probably won't accept it or take that flavor because y'all know how garlic is and how sharp it is. But adding garlic will help. Now, let me add this daggone honey up in here. And you let it sit for a couple months, for real. You can let it sit for about 3 to 6 months. 6 months to have it super potent. Let me get my fork. Now, the thing about raw honey that's different from that honey that I said is not honey, but it's probably honey, the clear, little brown clear stuff, it drizzles, it's all nice and neat. Raw honey, real honey, that come from the real bees, be like this, y'all. So I'm going to pack that my jars with the honey, because you know it's going to ferment and it's going to go down. It's not going to stay at the top. It's going to probably, soak down. I should have added the honey first, but more than likely it's gonna soak down to the bottom. So this right here will probably be a process that I ain't finishing on this lab and do this whole time. Yeah, because it's gonna take a while probably for that stuff to melt down to the bottom. So you can melt it first, however you want. It don't matter. But anyway. Oh, hold on. From that, I probably put it on. Honey first. It smells kind of good. Yeah, it do. It's kind of good. Anyway, I'm about to flip this and put some honey on the bottom, y'all. Put some honey on the bottom. I don't know what I was thinking. I should put honey on the bottom too. I'm gonna put some at the top and put it in a cool, dry area so it can melt. So the honey can melt all up into the onions and stuff. See, I didn't take that through first. I keep forgetting I want that clear ass, runny ass doggone honey. I'm good at making messes, I swear. Now I'm putting it back in there. That's what I should have did in the first place. Yes, guys. I know. What was I thinking? I always be so backwards. I should have did that in the first place. Yes. Now it's going to go in there all like it should. I dropped a piece of freaking ginger down in that couch. I'm going to have to get that out. This honey be so nice and thick and sweet. Now, y'all know this is going to be the truth. Made with real raw honey. Flip that other jar like this. That's what you call an antibiotic. I'm gonna do the other one like that too. I'm gonna flip it. That would have been a smarter thing to do anyway in the first place. I don't know what I was thinking. I wasn't using the brain. I wasn't using my brain. Put some on the top. So when it's soaked down and, well, actually not soaked down, when it melts down to the bottom, it'll be like, if you kind of get what I'm saying. And yes, I'm licking my fingers. This honey is good. Mm. Mm. And it's good for you. Alright, so I got this jar. Y'all see how butter it was when I flipped it. So it's going to melt down into the stuff or whatever. I'm going to flip this one, y'all, because I don't know what I was thinking again. Putting the honey on the top. This raw honey be expensive too. This stuff be expensive, but it be worth it. It'd be funny because y'all could buy a whole bunch of unhealthy shit and think it's worth it. It's one of them dollars that would have went to your recreational drugs and would have went to your recreational drinks to go to something like this. That's going to ensure you have a long, healthy life. Mm-hmm. Guys, I got honey everywhere. So y'all see I'm putting it back in here. I can see this one melting a little bit. Just a little tad bit already, y'all. Yeah, so this way I just did it was the smarter way. So if y'all do it the way I did it the second time. Put the honey in there first, then put the stuff in there, and then put some more honey in there. Because I forgot I'm not dealing with that fake ass honey. Alrighty. Yeah, let me get some more honey on top of this one. So like I said, in y'all spare time, y'all can do little stuff like this for a hobby or to keep you from crashing out. Or just because you care about yourself and you want to take good care of yourself. Yeah, I said it. I sure did say it. That's why I be funny about dating and who I date. Because niggas be messing with some of the funniest girls. These bitches swear they coochies be clean because they put vinegar and water in there. And that's crazy. I would never put vinegar and water in mine. I got something else I'll put up there though. And for y'all nasty ass thinking people, no, not no me. I'm talking about some yummy shit to clean down there. Yeah, y'all not seeing me. Don't get up in my inbox if you fucking with these dirty pussy bitches. Like, hell to the fuck no. I ain't got time for it. And the bitches that be swearing they pussy clean ain'ts. Like, me not doing it. Obviously, I'm licking all this honey because, look it up. The benefits, the health benefits of raw honey. Now, just because I'm going to add a piece of honey, onion on the top. Just because. Hold on, y'all. Let me go rinse my sticky hands off. Give me 1 second, y'all. Give me 1 second, y'all. Give me 1 second. I'll be right back. Yeah, I had to rinse some of that honey off my hands, man. I had a bunch of honey on my hand. I want to lick all that damn honey off. I don't want to shoot right. Anyway, I really wanted to do that so I could get these tops on here without the job bits. Because I'm going to still have to wipe this off, y'all. I know I let out it. Ain't really not that much to get on it, y'all. So anyway, y'all, let me bring it close up so y'all can see it. This is your cold and flu medicine here. Yeah, instead of buying that Tylenol and those cough medicines y'all buy. Again, I'm gonna stress the importance of this since y'all think y'all know everything. The next time y'all get sick with a cold or something like that, and y'all go get that Mucinex or whatever it is y'all get, I done did it before. I want y'all to read the ingredients on the back of the bottles of all y'all medicine that y'all got sitting up in y'all house right now. Funny thing is, to me, y'all can't even pronounce half of the words that's on it. But y'all putting it in y'all system and want to call somebody like me crazy. No, you're crazy. You're crazy. Extremely crazy. Because that be goddamn. Now with this, you know what's going in your body. You saw what was going in your body. So I'm gonna let this sit in a dry, cool place for a while. Then I'm gonna keep it in the refrigerator. One of them, but I'm gonna have to tell the baby mama, well, my daughter-in-law, and baby mama, my daughter-in-laws with an S, and my daughter, what they can do with it when they get home. They can keep it in a cool, dry place or whatever. So there you have it, my people. You have your own cold and flu medicine, antibiotics, whatever you want to call it. Onions, turmeric, garlic. Onions, turmeric, garlic. I'm not garlic. I'm shit. What I'm thinking about, because I must want to put garlic in here. Onions, turmeric, and ginger. Okay, it's better than that medicine that you buy out of the store. It might take a little longer to work. Not even that little long. It might not even take long to work, depending on how good you take care of yourself. You know what I'm saying? But just like any regular medicine, you got to take it, and it'll work. All right, so these are 2 antibiotics. I'm gonna let these sit. I'm gonna wipe them off down good too in a cool, dry, warm area for a week. Well, nah, for like 6 months, because I don't expect any sickness during the summer like that. I don't really get sick at all. But one thing about these kids, they keep a snuffly nose. Y'all know. And this is the hair cream. Now, I used coconut oil for a carrier oil. And again, you do not have to use coconut oil. You can use olive oil. Okay, my blood type is O positive, you know. And I know that for the O positive, coconut, anything coconut is good for you. Coconut oils, whatever. Okay. I use coconut oil. And again, you can strain it to not have all of this in it. You know, I don't strain mine. I want the full effect of everything. So I'm about to get up off here. And you guys stop the violence, man. You guys stay peaceful. And when you guys need something safe to do, you can do something like that. Positive energy always creates elevation. I'm wishing you all great peace, great health, great wealth, joy, and abundance. And I'm actually wishing it more to all of my little salty haters. Bye bye.